Welcome, Middle School Math Made Easy, Simple Visual Math. Today we're going to calculate the circumference of a circle. We are going to use the formulas. Here are the two possible formulas to use. And today we're going to focus on the blue formula because we're going to do an example where they give us the D, the diameter, and I will do another video with this red formula that I crossed out. Now, before we even use the formula, let's understand that what operation is this formula telling us to do, because I don't see any plus, minus, I don't see any times, and I don't see any division. This is what confuses students. What do we do? So let's remember that in algebra, a number next to a variable, the variable is the D, the letter, pi, this stands for pi. This is the pi symbol, and it's a number, but it's not going to be written as a number because it's long and continues forever, so we just write a symbol for it. And a number that's next to a variable attached with no operation symbol in between means to multiply. So let's jump right in and let's do an example to find to find the circumference of a circle. So we are going to find the circumference of this circle. Let me erase that, what I just wrote, so it's clear. So here is a problem, and sometimes you're going to get a problem with words here. Sometimes you're going to get it with visuals. This one is giving you the information with visuals. And before I continue and go step by step to solve this problem, please remember you can get worksheets with visuals, step by step guides on many different math topics to help your students succeed. If you are a teacher or a homeschooling guardian, you might want to use these worksheets after the mini lesson and guided practice, or even sometimes for the guided practice. You can click on Amazon, Teachers Pay Teachers, follow me on Pinterest. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. All the links are below. Thank you. So let's jump right into the problem. This says find the circumference and round to the nearest tenth. So at the end we will round. I will go over how to round quickly. And here they're asking us to find the circumference of this circle. Circumference is like the perimeter. It's the distance around the circle. So we want to know what is the distance around the circle. Remember, circumference comes up in real life when the companies are making anything that is circular, CDs, which are many times going out of business now, and soda cans and many circular things. So it is real life, and we need to know how to calculate it. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the formula, and the formula is pi d. C, circumference of a circle, is equal to pi d. What operation is this? This is multiplication. So we are going to find the circumference by taking pi, using the button on the calculator, times the d, the diameter. So what we are going to do is use the formula. Step 1, we are going to substitute what is given to us into the formula, and what we do not know, we are going to use a variable, a letter. So C is the circumference. Do we know it? No, it says find the circumference. So we're going to use a variable. Pi is a number, but we use this symbol to represent the number, so we're just going to write down pi. D, do we know D, the diameter? Yes, diameter is 15 inches. It gives it to us, so we replace it. So now we know exactly what to do to find C, the circumference, because it tells us it's equal to pi times 15. So once we substitute our values, we just plug it into the calculator, and we get our answer. So I'm going to circle in red so you all can see where the pi button is. Most cell phones have it if you turn the phone sideways. And you basically are just going to do what it says. This was a times here. So this says C is equal to pi times 15. So I'm just going to click on my calculator and let me get out of this pen. So pi times 15. Okay, this is our answer. 47, whoops, let's go back. 47.123, and so on. It goes on and on and on. So, what we need to do is go back to the question, and the question says, round to the nearest tenth. So, we need to know where is the tenths place, and then we have to see, are we going to round we are going to round. Are we going to change it or do one more? So what does this mean? I'm going to show you. So let me use a different color. So what we are going to do is we're going to look for the tens place. The tens place is the first place value after the decimal. So that means our answer is going to have the tens place. Either our answer is 47.1 or our answer is 47.2. And how do we determine if it's 0.1 or 0.2? We look at the next digit. So you see here the 2. And we don't care about the rest of the numbers. They're not important. So we just look at this 2. And we say, 5 or more. Is this 5 or more? No, 2 is not 5 or more. So the saying is 5 or more, up the score. But since this is not 5 or more, we don't up the score. So our answer is not going to be 47.2. It's going to stay 47.1. So again, that 2 that you see there, whoops, just erased it by mistake. So when we got 47 point, let me just show you again on the calculator. So here, I have it on my calculator. The answer is going to be 47.1 or 0.2. And this 2 here we're looking at, we don't write it in the answer. This is just to tell us, help us decide, are we changing it to 47.2 or we're keeping it 47.1? So this rest of the number we don't put in the answer. We only want a tens place in our answer. And since we know that the 2 is not more than 5, we are going to keep it 47.1. Sorry, it's kind of messy because I'm trying to show you the calculator. And then I have to go back to this. So I'm going to erase all this. So our answer is 47.1 inches. And this is not area, so area is in square inches, but circumference is like a perimeter. It is not in square inches, it's just inches. 47.1 inches. The circumference is 47.1 inches, 47 1/10 inches, and the distance around the circle, that is the circumference. I hope this was helpful for you, and please click on the links below. Amazon, Teachers Pay Teachers, follow me on Pinterest. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more videos, and please click on the links to my other videos. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.